Inupiatun Coding Project, Using Coding to Revive Our Language, a project by Ecola Trust in partnership with Virginia Tech. Facts. Language usage is critically low as our fluent speakers age and pass on. Technology gives us language resources we have never before had access to. We can use computer coding to help revitalize our language. So, what is coding? Coding is like giving instructions to a computer so it knows what to do. It involves writing code using a programming language. The computer coders tell the computer what to do step by step. The computer then follows these instructions to perform various tasks. We use code every day. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter all use code to operate their websites and mobile apps. Video games use code to create the game mechanics, graphics, and user interfaces. Netflix and Hulu use code to deliver video content to users over the internet. Even modern Snogos operate using code. But how do we use code to revitalize a language? Our team of trained scientists are producing a code to help computers be able to translate Inupiatun to English and vice versa. Our project will create the code to do a variety of translations between Inupiatun and English. It will be possible to process translations between audio and written text in Inupiatun. It will also be possible to translate Inupiatun text to English text and vice versa. Additionally, English text and audio will be able to be translated into Inupiatun audio and text. So, what's the solution? First, we partner with Virginia Tech to complete the project, and together we will create a code to use natural language processing, also known as NLP, to revitalize our language. NLP is a way to train computers to understand written text and spoken word just like humans can. Natural language processing is a type of computer technology that helps machines understand human language. It allows computers to understand and interpret the words and phrases that we use, our natural way of speaking. This technology is used in many ways, such as language translation, Siri and Alexa, chatbots, and even Google. It helps us to communicate with machines in a more efficient and effective way. NLP is important because it enables us to interact with computers in a more natural way by speaking, typing, or writing in our own language. For example, you could ask a computer, "What's it gonna be like tomorrow?" and it will understand through context and coding that you mean, "What's the weather going to be like tomorrow in my location?" and automatically respond with the correct answer. "Hey Siri, what's it gonna be like tomorrow?"
Should be sunny tomorrow.
Now that you have some background on the project, here are the goals that we have outlined. First, create a computer program that can digitize the vast Inupiatun language resources effectively and accurately. Second, we digitize existing translations. Ensure that existing translations from Inupiatun to English are digitized. Third, establish guidelines. Protect our people by creating guidelines for data privacy, ownership, and storage. And fourth, preserve cultural contexts. Make sure that cultural contexts are preserved through coding. For example, we map the relationships between caribou and the things they're naturally associated with, like hunting, tundra, soup, antlers, and lichen. So now what? We have the coding and the computer program, but how can we use it as community members? Our future plans are to create applications, create computer programs and apps that can translate between Inupiatun and English and vice versa, like Google Translate and Duolingo. Google Translate is a service developed by Google to translate text, documents, and websites from one language into another. Duolingo is one of the most popular language learning apps. It is free and has easy to understand language lessons. We could use the code from the project to create an Inupiatun version of the app. We hope we were able to answer many of your questions about the Inupiatun coding project at Ecollok Trust. Feel free to ask for further examples and clarifications in the questions and answer time. Deku!